All right, appointment confirmations. We talked about this already. Who should do the appointment confirmation? Good. Now, when the manager confirms the appointment, they don't call and say, hey, I'm the manager to confirm your appointment. It should feel like a welcome call. Hey, buyer, this is Kyle from Weston Kia. The reason I was calling you is I just want to thank you for setting the time aside with Andrew. Andrew is absolutely fantastic. You're going to love working with him. And it looks like you're coming in at 6:15 this evening. That is so great. Last time I talked to Andrew, he was out getting that vehicle ready for you to drive. And like I said, my name's Kyle. I'm the sales manager here. And can you do me a huge favor? Yeah. I should be outside and available just in case I'm not. If I get pulled away, could you have Andrew introduce me right when you come in? That way I can put a face to the name and just personally welcome you into the store. That's a manager confirmation call. The managers tell the customer how amazing the salesperson is, and they ask to be introduced. And then in appointment reception, how long should we have before the appointment that walks in meets a manager? How long? 5 minutes or less. Write this down, please. Because I want the manager to confirm the appointment, and then I just want the salesperson to take that appointment to the desk just for a quick desk check. Because Kenny gets to meet everybody right now. He just gets to meet them when they're pissed. Hey, Kenny, this guy said he's already wrote us a 1-star review. He wants his key back, and he said he's going to sue Jacob. Can you go talk to this guy, please? Get the manager before there's a problem. And then last piece on these two sets, missed appointments. I'm telling you this is wrong. I was taught to call missed appointments the next day. Totally wrong. When should we call missed appointments?
Same day.
What? The appointment's at 5 o'clock. When am I calling you?
5:15.
4:30.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock or 4:59? Write this down, please, at the bottom. You want to have parking lot energy, okay? Parking lot energy. And when I say parking lot energy, they told you they would be here at 5 o'clock. You don't call them at 6 o'clock and go, looks like you're running late for your appointment. Would you like to reschedule? No, it's weird. Because if you believed it was a real appointment, you wouldn't call them at 6. You'd call them at 4:59 and you'd go like this. Hey, buyer, it's Kyle. I'm outside of the parking lot. We got the 2 different facilities. It's so confusing. Where'd you park? And if they forgot about it, what are they going to say? And if they didn't forget about it, they should be here anyways. It should be part of your appointment reception process to call every single appointment at the exact time they're supposed to show up. And when you call them, it's not, looks like you've missed your appointment. Would you like to reschedule? It's, hey, this is Kyle, the guy you talked to earlier. I'm wearing like a purplish coat. I'm outside in the parking lot. Where are you? Oh, you forgot about it? No problem. Could you come down right now or, see what I'm saying? Stop calling these people after the appointment. Everybody good with that? If I was going to meet Kenny for lunch, Kenny says, let's go to the Outback Steakhouse. It's 5 o'clock is our lunch date. I'm not going to call Kenny at 5:45. Hello, Kenny. This is Kyle Disher. I've known you for 30 years. Would you like to, no. I'm going to call him and say, hey, where
the heck are you?
Where the heck are you? All right. Plan A. I never hang up the phone, page 9, without what? I can say anything I want as long as I don't what? If someone says I want $10,000 off a Celtis or whatever, what's it called?
Seltos.
I need to learn these cars. It sounds like a drink.
That works.
The Celtos. You want $10,000 off the Celtos? You're talking to the? If anyone's going to be able to do it, it's going to be me. I promise you, if you're looking for 10 grand off, we're going to be the ones to do it if anybody was crazy enough to do it. Now listen, I'm not telling you you could buy the car for 10 grand off. I'm telling you no one's going to do it at a better deal than us. If we could do the 10 grand off, when would you be here? And then you take it to the desk. There's a few words changes this whole thing because I'm never going to lie to anybody. I just get the commitment, and then who do I take it to? Manager. B, plan B, have a commitment on what they'll do. And then plan C, set up for good quality follow-up. Exactly what you just heard. I tried for a solid appointment. I couldn't get one. I tried to get a commitment. I couldn't get one. And so I set up for good quality follow-up with the tentative appointment for Monday.